Lara is our new irresistible style. Lara is made from luxurious 100% virgin Remy human hair that is 16 inches long. Lara's color is toasted marigold, salon quality perfected blend of warm honey blonde, light brown and highlights of ash blonde with natural looking brown roots. The wider lace front allows the most natural looking hairline that can be blended with all skin tones. And Lara's 150% density offers full hair and more possibilities for styling. Lara is a warm toned wig that will give you a glow.